Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Alondra. Today's video I'm doing an Alondra's advice video where I answer questions y'all send me through my email, whether that's situations you're going through, dilemmas you're having in your life, where you need some help. Hit up my email. I will have it listed on the screen and I will have it listed in the description box below so y'all can get a piece of, you know, my wisdom for the low, giving out free game all 2018. Y'all don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like, girl, subscribe to my channel because I'm black. I'm gonna go ahead and jump straight into this email. I want y'all to know ahead of time, every time I do these advice videos, it is out of love. I'm gonna be real. For this, I'm not gonna be your yes man. I'm gonna tell you straight up, like, sis, wake up. I'm never on here to blast anybody. You will always be left anonymous. I'm telling y'all what I would do myself, and it's most likely situations I've already been through. So I'm here to help. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and jump straight into the email. So let's go. The email is titled Advice, Don't Know What I Am with Him. It already sounds like something we've been through or I've been through. Hello, I just want to start by saying I love your videos so much and you give great advice. Thank you, Puddin'. Okay, so the backstory is we've been friends since year 5, year 10 now. And when we used to hang in the past, I used to sit on his lap and hold hands. I currently go to a girls' school and he's at a mixed school. Our relationship has been so confusing and I really need help analyzing it. Around a month ago, I went over to his house and we were on his bed and we were cuddling and he was grabbing my ass, and this was when I had my first kiss. Later on, we were scrolling through Instagram and a photo of an Insta model popped up and he was like, "She's so hot," while he was with me. It was so uncomfortable for a bit after that. 3 weeks later, it was his best friend's birthday party and he couldn't make it, but I was there with a few other people. During the party, his best friend was grabbing my ass and holding my waist, even though he already told his best friend what was happening between me and him. When he found out, he was really pissed at me and said he would talk to his best friend too. A few days later, I asked what happened between him and his best friend, but he wouldn't tell me. I tell him so much about me. He says that we're a thing, but we're not dating and I'm not his girlfriend. He calls me sexy and hot and I think he really cares about me, but when it was my birthday, he didn't buy me anything. He also smokes, does weed, and has alcohol. I'm also scared to have sex with him because he might judge my body. I know that sounds stupid. One day when we were hanging, I was distressed and wouldn't tell him what it was. 5 days later, he asked me what happened and I told him. And whenever we hang, he brings up things that happen. He won't give our relationship a title though, so I don't know what to do. Like, I'm scared he will go off with another girl or something like that. I really like him and we have always been really close. Thanks so much. Okay, so I ain't gonna lie. This situation is like complex. It's just a lot going on and I feel like it probably was too much for you to actually like write me maybe, but I feel like a lot of information is being left out and yeah, I'm gonna need them details. I'm gonna dissect it piece by piece because it's a lot we gotta work with here. So first things first, I'm a realist. No, but seriously, first thing first, I feel like y'all have been friends, like you said, for I guess 5 years now, and you've always been close. Okay, I mean, honestly, he sounds like a typical guy for y'all's age. Like, you're gonna hang out, you're gonna cuddle. It's a good thing y'all haven't had sex yet because it will probably just be blank sex, or you may regret it later, so just do that whenever you're ready. It's giving me vibes of like just a normal, like, blurry relationship. Y'all hang out, y'all kiss, y'all cuddle, y'all do all of this. Y'all probably have good company and like each other, but is he even like material to be a boyfriend? You say he didn't get you anything for his birthday, for your birthday. Like, that's something small, but little things like that mean something. It shows like interest, it shows if you care, it shows if you want to make me happy, if you want to make me feel special. And if he's not doing that, then it's like, yeah, that, I mean, he probably doesn't want anything serious, you know? Not that he may not like you, but he may not want or be ready or know how to have anything serious. The thing about the Instagram model, the Instagram model where he was like, "She's so hot." I mean, that situation, once again, typical guy. Did he have to say it out loud? No. Like, who cares? Like, you don't need to say that. Like, just like the picture. I mean, you're already gonna be liking pictures anyways. Just like it. I don't need you to be telling me, "Ooh, who's so pretty to you," while we're like together. Which is vice versa. Like, it sounds petty, but if we was with a guy and we all cuddled up and freaking, what's that guy name? Don Benjamin pop up We're not gonna be all, oh, he fine. No, we're just gonna be like, you know, and mind our business. So it's just like, that's just a little immature, it sounds like. It's just kind of like, once again, he's not, to me, he's not thinking like about your feelings in that instance, because it may not be there. But don't, you know, confuse what I'm saying. That issue with the Instagram model is still not a big deal. It's just something like, okay, you could just kept your comment to yourself. Now, when you said 3 weeks later you were at the birthday party that he didn't go to, and his best friend was all grabbing on your ass, and I guess y'all were dancing or whatever, that situation is kind of like on you. Like, why was you letting his best friend be all up on you like that? You don't want to seem like a pass, and that's no offense, but like, you don't want to seem like a pass or anything. If it's even like that with you and the best friend, like, whether, I don't know if you were like consenting to that or what, but maybe y'all just like each other, but it's nothing really serious there, or nothing really deep, you know? If you're putting all the pressure on him to answer whether or not y'all are together, I feel like you should ask yourself that, if that's something you want. Do you want to be with him, or do you just want to have fun and you just like what it is and you just want some clarity on what it is? I feel like we think we want relationships, but honestly, we just want clarity. Like, if we're gonna be fuck buddies, I just want to know. Like, if we're gonna be dating, I just want to know. I just feel like y'all just need clarity overall, regardless of if it's going to be a relationship, or if it's just going to be like, we just like each other, we just like hanging out, and we enjoy each other's company. Then the part where you say you may feel uncomfortable about your body if y'all were to have sex. You have to overcome that insecurity or the uncomfortability before you have sex with him or anybody else. You want to feel beautiful and confident at whatever stage your body's at. I don't want like you to have sex with him like while you feel uncomfortable, because then that will really give him power. Like, it would just open up a whole different can of worms. Lastly, where you said that you just, you know, he just won't give your relationship a title. This is something I personally had to go through, and it's something that I just tell people all the time when I hear situations like this. When a guy is not like leading the relationship and he's not putting a title on it, we have to answer for ourselves the question. We have to answer for him. We have to be like, you know what? Based off of your actions and what you not doing and what you should be doing, we're not together. And that's when you answer the question for yourself. It may hurt. You may have your heart broken. I don't know how invested y'all are. Like you said, 5 years. So that's something you need to prepare yourself for. Prepare yourself to answer the question yourself and handle it accordingly. Whether that be moving on, or whether that be, you know what, I can still be his friend, but you're not going to have my emotions anymore, and we're on my time. I hope I answered this question for you. I hope this helped. Anyone who wants to help this person out, leave a comment below. And what would y'all do in this situation? Or if you've ever been in this situation, what did you do? As always, you can hit up my email if y'all have any situation that you're going through and want advice, and I will respond as quickly as I can, being a procrastinator. So with that being said, I will catch y'all in my next video.